Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 13th day of June 2025. We just got done the U.S. closed live trading room, and we're getting ready to do the replay of the trade that was taken in the room today by traders in the room. Fantastic. The setup is this. We had some major news announcements worldwide concerning situation in the Middle East. And here we go. So we got an efficient inside candle. We have a stair step. Um, the market's heating up. We look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 100 to 160, maybe even 200 ticks long. Therefore, we're going to pair our ATM to the PVI. Therefore, I'm going to be breaking out the big targets. We're going to go for 20s again for risk control, and then we're going to have runners of 100 and 200. And this is how it all played out. So, we always start with a cover order, and if the market retraces any, we're going to go off the body of the candle. So here we go with the retrace. That's not the retrace I'm looking for. If it retraces some more, there we go. No, not that either. Not that either. It needs to be a little bit more than that. If we still have our cover order on, but I believe this retrace is better than that than when we went before. Oh, there we go. Now our order goes on the body of the candle. It's already failed this brick wall twice. So if it comes through a third time, it's highly likely to push through. The 50 of the day was not there at that's where it is now, but it wasn't there at the time. So put our stop where it belongs, which is pretty much where it is right now. And now we just wait. We'll wait for our first target to be taken out. Then we'll speed it up a little bit. It was pretty brisk anyway, but yeah, we'll shorten it up. I just want to show you how it goes. Sometimes you got to go through the sweat. And there you go. Target's filled. And if it comes back and takes me out at break even, I'll go ahead and put another trade on. But that's the advantage of your break even position being above where we got in. So now we just sit back and wait. Speed it up a little bit. And again, it was pretty doggone brisk this afternoon, especially on the way down here. All right, so hundreds are out. So we had 2 times 20, 1 times 100. Now we have a 200 tick target down here. We can bring our stop to a positive position at this point. Again, that 50% was not there at the time of this trade. So we didn't have to worry about that being a brick wall. And we're really, really close. We went like 185 ticks to our 200 tick target before we failed. So we could have just waited and said, okay, it failed there. I'll take it out at 150 or 160 ticks. And now 150, 100 ticks on the NQ is 500 US dollars. So there's nothing wrong with taking out their last target at 150s. All right, so we had a pretty nice, again, a very strong candle, just like the indicator. This candle was 13 times, thanks. This short candle here that had the strong candle indicator from Samurai Day Trading was 13 times stronger than the previous candle and produced this massive, basically 200 tick candle after that. That trade right there was worth 1,710 US dollars and took about 5 minutes, a little bit more than 5 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make $1,710 in less than 6 minutes, then come and join us in the live trading room soon at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com, and look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you and have a great day. We'll see you next time.